Okay, guys, but before actually do some code, we need to know how this works. Okay, so let's say we have this process wherever it starts here, uh, and we want to do the process of the bank account that I just told you. That we want to know how much time it takes 10,000 pesos, how much it takes them to be 15,000. Knowing that we have an interest rate of 5%, right? So the first thing we need to do is to check, okay, if the balance is actually smaller than the target balance. Why not? Why? Because if the target balance is actually bigger, well, we don't need to wait a lot. So what happens is like this. So we check if uh, the balance is smaller than target balance. Okay, if it's true, actually we need to know, okay, that a year needs to transcur until we get like to the target date. Okay, so we add interest to the balance. Okay, and then we go back all the way up to here. Okay, so we're gonna repeat that a number of times and up to the point whenever this thing is false, that is, we reach the goal, and then we're gonna continue our process to whatever we want to do around here. Okay, so the structure of the while is just the one you can look on your right. Okay, so it looks like this. It says while, shocking, and then you need to write a condition. Okay, this condition, it can be, I don't know, something is smaller than something, or something is not true, or whatever, something and something, whatever. Okay, don't forget your column over there, and there's some statements that can be pretty much whatever you want.